Colette is here, and if you want to learn how to turn freelancing into a multi-million-dollar career, then you are in the right place. I have personally earned over $2 million on Upwork. I've worked with hundreds of clients and cracked the code on what really works in freelancing of 2025. But I want to be honest with you. When I first started on freelancing, I had zero experience, no fancy portfolio, and I faced a lot of rejection. I struggled to land my first gig and wondered if I should just quit. If you are feeling that way right now, know this. It is completely normal. Most freelancers give up before they see success, but I've kept going and I learned the ropes. And today I am here to share the exact steps I would take if I were to start over. Did you know freelancing is expected to grow over 15% this year alone, with millions of new freelancers entering the market? But here is the catch. Over 80% of new freelancers fail to make their first sale in the first 3 months. That is why I created this complete beginner's guide to help you avoid the common traps and fast track your success. Stick with me and I will share the exact steps I would take if I had to start over today, from zero experience to landing high-paying clients. Plus, don't forget to check out my free Upwork cover letter template in the pinned comment and join my free live event where I will answer your burning questions. Details are also in the pinned comment, so let's dive in. That means figuring out your superpower, the problems you can solve for clients. Businesses today face problems like not having enough time, struggling to grow on social media, needing better designs or copy, or feeling overwhelmed by technology. If you already have these type of skills, then that's great. Use that. If not, then don't worry. You can start by helping small tasks such as managing emails or scheduling. This is a great way to get your foot in the door and to gain experience. Remember, your competitive advantage might be your organization skills, your ability to research quickly, or simply that you are affordable and eager to learn. For example, instead of being a generic social media assistant, you might help fitness coaches come up with fresh Instagram content ideas. Pick something that makes you unique. Think about who needs help. Who faces the problem that you want to solve? Are they a small business owner, content creators, coaches, or local shops? Do they have the budget to pay you? Are they serious about growing their business? If you love gaming, maybe help streamers with video editing. If you enjoy health and wellness, help coaches build their online presence. You don't have to have a fancy website or brand kit yet. Just create samples that show your skills. If you don't have clients' work, then make sample projects. For instance, edit a short video, design a mock social media post, or write a blog sample. Make your samples solve the real problem your clients might have. I have made a free Notion portfolio template to help you organize your samples. Check the pinned comment below. Your mission now is to get your first paid gig, even if it's just $1. Don't stress about making big money yet. The goal is to build trust and to get started. Join freelancing sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contra. Send 5 to 10 proposals every day. Reach out to the people in your network, friends and family, local business owners, and tell them that you are freelancing and ready to help. Rejection is normal. Keep going, be persistent, and never give up. After your first gig, aim to make your first $100. Keep sending proposals, pitching clients, and following up. Start upgrading your skills to solve bigger problems. Learn new tools or software your clients may need. Soft skills like communication, organization, and reliability are just as important as your technical skills. Once you reach $1,000, focus on finding communities where your clients hang out. Join Facebook groups, Discord servers, and LinkedIn groups. Build relationships with other freelancers. For example, team up with a graphic designer if you are a copywriter. Look for long-term clients to stabilize your income. Here are some final tips. Start with low rates to get clients. Then increase your prices gradually. Always set clear expectations and avoid overpromising. Be professional, reliable, and keep learning. Freelancing is a journey, so stay patient. Before I wrap it up, don't forget to check out my other videos on Upwork cover letters and grab my free proposal template from the pinned comment. And remember to register for my free live event. The details are in the pinned comment and Facebook group. Thank you so much for watching. If you are excited to start freelancing, then hit the like, subscribe, and comment below what skills you are to offer in 2025. I'm Colette, and I'm with you every step of the way. Until next time, be freelantastic.